So hello guys, now we are in the Rust tutorial number 2, and now we'll see how to create a project using Rust basically. So cargo is one of the component in Rust that lets us create, compile and debug the project using various commands. So we'll see it step by step. So you just have to click on cargo new and type in the project name. Let's say I am giving class 1 as the project, or let's say class 2 as the project name. So if you can see, it has created class 2 as the project name, and here we'll open the folder. Okay, in the S2 I am having, so this is the class 2 folder. This will open basically. So here you can see directly the main.rs is present. Okay, and it has written hello world inside the same. Okay. Okay, now for building this project, basically we'll have to type in the command cargo build. Okay. Okay, so there's some error here. Okay, so in the S2 we'll have to navigate to class 2 basically. Okay, so here the cargo build command will work. Okay, because we are not in this parent folder. Okay, so it like the project has been built, and if we can see here the target debug and all the files are generated here, right? So in the build folder, so these are the files that are generated. We can see here in the class 2 target debug. Okay, so here the class 2 application is being generated. We'll just navigate our directory to this cd and target and debug. Okay, so here we'll just class2.exe, so it printed hello world. And let's make some changes to this code also, like hello world, and then let's say print ln of welcome to this YouTube channel. Okay, so this I'm saving. This will build again. Okay, cargo build is the command basically. Okay, so it has finished building the target and debug class2.exe. So you can see like whatever the changes we are making, so that are getting printed here. One of the option, rather than doing all this step, is simply pressing the cargo run button. So it compiles the code. Like let me show you in real time. So what we'll do, we'll delete this target folder that is getting generated at runtime. Oh, so it's open somewhere here. Okay, so we'll just delete this, open the terminal here, we'll type cargo run. Okay, so it built the project and it just gave us the output also. So cargo run is the simple command for that. Okay, and also there is one point. Let's say we want to check without compiling, like if this program is fine or not. So we can just type as cargo check. Okay, so it shows us like without compiling, okay, what are the errors are there in this program basically. So for displaying that only, I just had made one change here, like I had removed the semicolon, so that's why we had got this error here. And if I'm running cargo check, so it just check and that file was fine basically. So that is one functionality of cargo check. And again, for this indentation, like indentation does not matter here. Let me show you that first. Like we'll again type cargo run. Okay, so the file is getting compiled and all. Okay, but still if you want to add proper indentation to this file. Suppose you are writing code and all, so you don't need to do this process manually like in other programming language. Rust itself provides a feature via Cargo, so we'll try to explore the same. So the command for that is rust fmt. Okay, first we'll have to navigate to the source directory where our .rs file is present, and the command for that is rust fmt main.rs. Okay, voila, see the code directly got its proper indentation and in the proper formatting. Let's say I'm adding this many spaces here, right? And if we are doing this, just click here, that's it. So this is one of the great feature of Rust. Like for core programmers, this features must be very useful basically. So this is also one of the main feature of Rust. And that's it for this lecture, guys. See you in the next lecture. So I'm trying to keep this lecture short and crisp basically, so you also just try to watch these lectures in small span of time and practice the Rust programming language. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.